Okay, so we are going to solve this question called range sum of BST. Given the root of node of binary search tree and two integers low and high, return the sum of values of all node and a value in the inclusive range low comma high. Okay, so for the basic solution, what we could do is if my root is equals to null, I'll return 0. Then I'll say if root dot value is greater than equal to low and root dot value is smaller than equal to high, okay, I'm going to add that particular value in a variable. I'm going to say sum plus equals to root dot value, and then I'm going to calculate for left side and right side, and I'm going to add it in sum. Sum plus equals to range sum BST root dot left low comma high. Okay, and I'm going to return sum. Although the problem with this solution is that we are not using the property of binary search tree, right? I'm going to every single node. So let us suppose when I'm at 5, I can check that if 5 is smaller than the low value, and if it is, then I don't need to go to the left side of it, right? For example, here if it is 16, so I could check if 16 is higher than the high value, so I don't need to go to the right side of it because already in the right side all the values would be higher than 16, right? So by using binary search tree property, let's try to solve this. So I'll say if my sum is equal, so here instead of doing this, what I could do is I could simply use a condition, uh, right? When do I want to go to left side and when do I want to go to the right side? Okay, so I only want to go to the right side, that is this side, if the value, if root dot value is smaller than low, right? So smaller than or equal to, right? And here I'll say root dot value is greater than equal to high. But the problem here would be that when I'm at 10, let's say I'm at 10, so I came, so the sum would be 0 initially, sum plus equals to 10, and when I came here, since sum is not greater than high, so it won't go into this recursion, and sum is not smaller than into equals to high, so it won't go into this recursion. So the problem would be that for 10 it would return me 10. So for this one it would return me only 10. Let's check it. It should return 10, yes. Okay, because it is not going into the recursive loop, right? So what I could do is I could simply say here return this plus I'll call the both sides in here. So root dot right comma low comma high and left side as well, right? Left. Okay, and what I could do it in here is I could simply return these values, and at the end I could return a 0. Okay, so now let's try this. Okay, it is working. Okay, yes, it is working as well. So we did use binary search tree property, and thank you.